Listen, if you've been scrolling the internet asking, how can I make money online fast? This is your video. Today, I'm giving you 5 ChatGPT prompts that can literally help you start making money instantly, even if you have zero tech skills. These prompts are plug and play. You can copy them, paste them, and turn them into cash today. But don't just watch. Use them, because money won't fall from the sky, but AI can make it a whole lot easier. Let's jump straight into prompt 1. Hello, welcome to Wisdom Wealth, where we build wealth with wisdom. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, I especially welcome you to this amazing channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I also especially welcome you back. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe and remember to hit on the notification bell so as to be notified anytime I upload a new video.
Prompt number 1, social media content seller. You can help small businesses manage their social media, post captions, hashtags, and get paid every month.
How to earn. Sell content packages on Facebook, Instagram, or Fiverr.
Charge 20K, 80K pesos per client monthly. Just copy this into ChatGPT.
Create 30 days of Facebook and Instagram posts for a real estate business in Lagos. Include engaging captions,
Nigerian-style hashtags, and eye-catching CTA lines. Bonus, replace real estate with restaurants, boutiques, beauty and spa, small online shops. Boom, you're instantly a social media manager. Prompt number 2, ebook creation for sale. You can publish ebooks on WhatsApp, Paystack Store, Amazon KDP, and keep earning. How to earn. Sell ebooks at 2K, 5K each. Only 50 buyers earns up to 250K prompt. Copy this prompt. Write a complete ebook on how to lose belly fat at home for Nigerians.
Include workouts, diet tips with local foods like beans, moi moi, gari, plantain, and a 30-day plan. Make it beginner-friendly. Add a nice cover like upload a make passive income. Prompt number 3, freelance logo and branding with AI.
No graphic design skills needed. AI does the heavy lifting. How to earn. Charge 5K, 30K per logo. Get clients on Fiverr, Upwork, or local businesses. Copy this. Generate 10 modern minimalistic
Logo ideas for a new fashion brand called Chic Mode. Include slogan options, color palette, and font suggestions. Take the ideas, use a free design tool like Canva to finalize. Deliver. Prompt number 4, YouTube scriptwriter for content creators. So many creators don't like writing scripts. You can be their solution. How to earn? 10K to 50K per script.
Fast turnaround equals more money. Copy this prompt. Write a trending 7-minute YouTube script titled, How to Start a Business in Nigeria with No Capital.
Make it conversational, with humor and strong hooks. Message YouTubers, show your work, secure clients.
Prompt number 5, product descriptions for online shops. Nigerian businesses are moving online and they need copy that sells. How to earn? 500, 2,000 per product. 30 products until 60K pairs. Copy this prompt.
Write 10 persuasive product descriptions for women's handbags using a friendly tone and include SEO keywords.
Nigerians search for, like affordable handbag, long-lasting leather. Send samples, collect clients, get paid weekly. These 5 prompts are just the beginning. If you take action today, I promise you can start earning this week, not next year. Comment at prompts if you want me to send you 10 more money-making prompts for free. I like this video if you want part 2. Subscribe because my next video drops in 48 hours. How to get your first client with zero experience. Let's win together using AI the smart way. See you in the next video. Bye!